And then me pese me kasam a chere Ghana a Christopher nyina any wiase afa na Christopher nyina. The entire Christopher yenye nhyira ntumi entana yensem enche. The entire Christopher pinum enye nhyira ne endu bebia na nhyira ne firi wonsa. Every God's appointment comes with a specific instruction. Every God's appointment comes with a specific instruction. We all as individuals are appointed for a specific purpose in every position we hold in life. And the position be a wujina and it ye be a no. Ewrade, Eden Shishadi be at ye go home. And the Christopher to me bomb pie ya comachere and yen shira, but a bit to say ye be maintain blessing no. Not yin to me and maintain a blessing and that quickly no. The person no here at ye be. Now it's a broad topic, but may taken one after the other, and then I may use only one point from the broad topic. What I want to share with you is about Saul's spirit. Yes, Saul's spirit. At a point in time, the Israelites were under pressure. They were under captivity. They were being pressured. They were being disturbed. They were being punished by a nation called Amalekite. And God at that time wanted to deliver the Israelites from the hands of this Amalekite. And what did God do? He has to appoint someone in the person of Saul. When the Israelites came out of Egypt, it got to a time they were under attack by the Amalekite. Now, not everybody per se, or G Israel for the free Amalekite for ensem, and Tina and Hobi Yes and Yameba appointee Obi, and Yame Ednam Odi for Samuel so appointee Obi and the Dean Eddie Saul. Na saa Saul ya nyame appointing no over Israel say onyame emfa ne so enje oman Israel emfi the captivity of this Amalekite no. At the end is here. 1 Samuel chapter number 15. 1 Samuel chapter number 15 verse number 1 to 29. And as a story we in a but yendano na menka se menchero whatever position you hold or you see yourself in is not by chance. It's by the grace of God. As a Christian, position be a witch is not by chance. It's for a purpose. It is just by the grace of God. And that grace has gotten some specific instruction. That position you hold in life as a Christian comes with a specific instruction. God appointed Saul king over Israel. And it did not end there. The fact that Nyame Peja Saul Manepayem Ohene over Israel, just to lead the Israel, defeat this Canaanite or Amalekite. In fact, Saul was given a specific instruction. And the position be a wukurum as Nyamini Park, position be a wukurum as a Christian, position be a wukurum, whatever kwasori and as a one kwasori. Kaine hunu said that position, it comes with the specific instruction, it comes with a specific responsibility. As a when to me and follow that principle, when to me follow that responsibility, when to me follow that instruction or position, no, but when to me maintain that position or enter. Until Christopher Bebre yen Shirano, na en Shirana betu baby no, na en chen in Shirana upon but the heavy as a four. Yan ya fry who say Christopher, Mombo, ye via Sephorum, or to me maintaining in Shiracha identity because the principle and the instruction governing the position of making sure so be super pepe and to so your Christian and Yamia Peja Wedum Pepe so be Yana ye free every position we hold, every appointment of God comes with a specific instructions. Now, Onyame Emma Saul Baye or Hine over Israel, no, Yame man a specific instruction. But then quickly, no, may obey one of the points I have derived from the story of Saul, how Saul behaved after God appointed him king over Israel to lead the Israelite fight the Amalekite. Yanko verse number 13, verse number 13. Yes. Verse number 13. I have derived a point that goes like this. Do not appear to be too smart than your Lord. Yes. Do not appear to be too smart than who made you who you are. Do not be too wise than the God that placed you on that seat. Emma woni ntra wonton. Emma wadwene nyo say we are too smart. We are too sharp. You are sharp boy, sharp girl, you are sharp man. Don't look too smart than the Lord you serve. Don't look too smart than the God that placed you on that position you are holding at the moment. Now, let's go to verse number 13. And Samuel came to Saul, and Saul said unto him, Blessed be thou of the Lord. I have performed the commandment of the Lord. Now, onyame ekatre Saul through Samuel say, Amalekite na woko wonso esa no. Kumemu nipa nyinara ene emumbo nyina enja bibiara ewom. That was the specific instruction attached to the position of Saul being the king over Israel. That was his specific instruction. That kill every living soul. A man, memma, and kwalanim penning, and moi. Yina kumo krumu bibiara. That was a specific instruction. That's why I tell you that position that you are holding, which this and yamen or do a position, that it comes with a specific instruction. So bet me dinkunim, so bet me jina wana so akwodin akwenim ekodri wi kopem se onyame akasa baka se enough is enough for age instruction ne rade dia mon atosa akonwa no so no atosa position no atosa awade no so no atosa relationship na wone mo no, unless you follow it strictly. Do not appear to be too smart. Do not appear to be too wise. Do not appear to be too all-knowing than the Lord that placed you on that. Nyame katere so says, so woko no koto oman Amalekite for esusa. That Canaanite for no ukotu onso esa. Those Amalekite for no ukotu onso esa. Make sure say won die abua bakumpo ewo ho. Now what happens? Abra Samuel drew hono na Saul is free as a katre. So Samuel say, Samuel, edwuma na nyame de ma me no makoye ni nyina be kum krum hofo nyina ma ye bibiam. And the 14 says that, and Samuel said, what meaneth this breathing of the sheep in my ears and the lowing of the oxen which I hear? That's the cry of the oxen. And Saul said, they have brought them from the Amalekite, for the people spared the best of the sheep and of the oxen to sacrifice unto the Lord thy God, and the rest we have utterly destroyed. And to Saul, catcher Samuel said, ye call yana ye share peteta criminal, ye come honina ye jay ponchini nyan and imbrichena adosa dieno, and the baby buffer ye at the amirati. Now the question is, so ebra wo kono edie ya samno nyame ka kire ho oso kumemu ni panyina emumo nyina enti so na dwen ye na say one de ni ate one de you too smart one minyansa chen nipa na de ne sisa position no enti ono mom na ebe kire de sesa nyame oyo e kristo for ya dan for no se radidi nye jena baby a ekron baby eso a instruction radidi ya manya say ye this no, we rather want to teach God something. The instruction was so straightforward. Kum emundi penyina Saul say me kum but me jadia dosra de no na nyame waka kiro so pesa de mame emma woni nte nche wonya kopon wato safra wuo brother emma woni nte encha nyame odo wagina sa position no de urade yaka afa na sam ho de urade yaka de for position no de woni nyame de wagina position se bia obebo nyanka obebo woni a woni bi obebo enwisia Evradi ma wakwa wade pased ye baya wo betumi ahwe unyanom nkoma ene mpanifuo ana watumi ahwe busuanom evradi de wadu abrochi sade ye baya wo betumi ahwe wasefuo no wohu na evradi yankasa koho na kwaye de nsam fata koho na kwaye de wo fi se mia na makoma wode mia na metumi kwan mia na mebie medjuma wonim ebusua no nyame nim se wo enam se wo kura koma pa in a way bintie na nyame bie sa kwan tu kwan no de yama Awurade nim sɛ wo deɛ nka wonya bia nka wobɛtumi aboa efie no nti ɛna nyame ama w'adwuma no etu mpɔn no ɛnyɛ wo nsa kyekyerɛ mɛnyɛ wo ho te sɛ wonim nyansa ɛkyɛn obi a w'asase so wonim nyansa ɛkyɛn nyame mpo ɔno wato nsa ɛde afɛrɛ sɛ meba bra bɛdi hene ɛwɔ ɔman wei so bɛdi hene ɛwɔ kuro wei so meba mapa bɛma bia ne nsɛm ɛwɔ bi sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a turu saa bɛrima no wobɛtumi ahwɛ abusua no wura wɔde ne mu wie a wɔsɛ daabi wo ne wo kunu ne wo mma nko a wogya wo maame atie kora se ɛna wo maame ɛfiri gare mpo ansa no wɔtumi adidi ɛdeɛ na ɛyɛ wo ɛdeɛ na ɛhaw ɔdɔfo ma menka sɛ menkyerɛ wo pɛ sɛ nyame tie wo mpaebɔ na position bi a Awurade de ama wo sɛ woyɛ policeni sɛ woyɛ nurseni sɛ woyɛ teacheni sɛ woyɛ ɛdeɛ whatever field you find yourself in no ma menka biribi nkyerɛ wo ɛyɛ Awurade wonim sɛ bebree na wo ne ɔmo kɔɔ saa interview no bate yɛmfa wo mo wo na yɛfaa wo ɛne na ɛkyerɛ sɛ nyame ne bie saa kwan no ɛma wo nyame na ɛma wo saa kwanya no enti ɛndɛ sɛ wonya saa kwanya no instruction a nyame de ato ho no sɛ kɔ na kɔyɛ adwuma no yie na wo so mmra mfasoɔ ɛma society no a wowɔ mu no ɛmfa ma abusua no a wowɔ mu no ɛmfa ma wɔ namfofoɔ ɛfiri sɛ nyame opagya nipa baako ɛdeɛ na yɛmfa nyɛ Joseph but na nyame ɛwɔ botae bi de ma Joseph sɛ ɔbɛfa Joseph so through all the trials and the temptation and the problems here and there na nyame pɛ sɛ use Joseph ɛde save the family and na wokonya saa position no wo look smart ofi sɛ wonim nyansa dodo ofi sɛ wo na wadwene mu ebie sɛdeɛ Saul yɛyɛ no nyame sɛ kɔ no kɔkum ne saa Amalekitefoɔ no emu nipa ne mpɔnkye ne nyanyina kɔkum ɔmo nyinaa wosi mekum ɔmo but mafa bi bɛbɔ afadeɛ na nyame wo bi sɛ obibi deɛ nyame ka nyɛ ne mbom no wonya ready sɛ